These are called Cinnabons, and not Cinnabombs, Cinnabons. And they taste pretty good, and you have a little bit of, you can't see it, maybe you can't see it here, but it has sort of like a glazing on it, and like a little frosting kind of thing. Mostly like glazed, like bakery kind of things. And I didn't even know what these were until a few days ago. And they're kind of neat. They're good breakfast pastry or whatever. And after a while, if they get, you might have to heat them up a little bit and eat them that way too. They're pretty good. And so again, I didn't, and they can get kind of messy. Like here, there's a place where you can grab it, but there's no other place on here where you can grab it and not get that sticky frosting on your fingers. But they do taste pretty well, and it's another widening out your food appreciation. And probably everybody out there knows all about these, and except me, I don't. So you're talking to a person that doesn't really know. And I'm not a cinnamon person either, but these I'm finding things out lately that there's cinnamon products that I kind of like. So I can't say I'm not a cinnamon person, and anymore. I do kind of like them, but I would, if this one here. And you can see too that you can kind of pick them apart. They're kind of swirled around there, and you can take a part of it there, and that's kind of like there. You can stab it a little, and go in your mouth, and taste it. You can taste the cinnamon, taste kind of the sweet glazing of it, and there's just one more breakfasty kind of item, including our previous item here. I'll wash it down with that. This is the first time we ever mixed things from two different ones.
No, didn't you do something with cinnamon bread?
Oh yeah, we got cinnamon bread as well.
Mm-hmm.
And that tastes pretty good. That has a swirl in it as well. And again, I didn't think since it's cinnamon, I didn't think I'd like it, but I found out that I did. So that was one more cinnamon product, and that bread tastes pretty good. And so there you have it. Widen out your appreciation of different.